guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my first wash day of the year, and it also happens to be my first video of 2026, which honestly feels so symbolic. There's just something about starting a new year with a fresh wash day, clean hair, reset energy, and a soft start. So we're going to do this together. This year, I'm being intentional about taking care of myself in every way. Looking good, eating right, moving my body, and actually checking in with myself. I'm not chasing perfection anymore. I'm choosing progress. Progress in my routines, progress in my habits, progress in how I show up as a content creator on all my platforms, and just how I show up for myself in general. Wash day is just one of the ways I'm honoring that commitment, because I get to spend time with myself, watch my favorite show, do my hair, and care for my scalp, if you understand what I'm saying. So I've had these cornrows for about 3 or 4 weeks now, and my hair feels different. And not scary different, it just feels a different texture all in all. If you remember, I started taking the Vitatech hair, skin and nails vitamins I think a month ago, and I think it kind of has changed the texture of my hair. My hair feels slightly drier, but it's stronger, so I'm not exactly sure what to expect with this, but I'm looking forward to seeing what is going on in here. Detangling, my hair isn't tangling. It's not tangled, for 4 weeks. I went swimming with this hair. I've been doing installs with this hair. There's leftover residue from the glue and stuff, but this hair is kind of filthy. As you can see, there's like some white on it. That's just dirt and debris and build-up, child. But detangling is a breeze. But I will tell you, the new growth is coarse. You know how normally you'll see the curl pattern in my new growth? This time around, it's tight, it's coarse. And honestly speaking, I'm going to contribute that to the vitamins, because I don't know what else could have changed that. But I undid my hair, man, and it feels thicker, it looks thicker. It looks kind of a little bit shorter than normal, but I'm okay with that as long as it's healthy. I mean, wash day feels like more than just hair for me. It's slow, it's intentional, and it forces me to pause. Like, I can't rush this part, because this is the foundation of every wash day. It requires patience, and yeah, healthy hair needs patience. So there you have it, dry, scruffy hair. I look like I've been electrocuted. So every wash day starts off with me reminding you guys of how I think my hair is low porosity. It literally takes me like a good 5 or more minutes to get my hair literally soaked in water. And yeah, like, I'm convinced I'm low porosity, and I'm a lover of oils, so those two things are kind of a struggle movement, but we will find a way. Today's shampoos, I'm going to start off with the Tresemme Botanic cleansing shampoo. I love this one. I've had this for a while now, and this year I've decided that I am going to use the products that I have, because I have a tendency to buying new things or trying new things while my rack is still stocked up. So we're going to use what we have first, and I will only buy and try new things when things are, finished. I've started with my skincare, and I've literally managed to clear some shelf space from doing that from November until now. And yeah, I've been giving away some things as well, giving to my mom and my family and stuff. So we're decluttering also, because I don't want to be a hoarder. So the first shampoo literally is just to get over the dirt and debris and the build up. That's why it doesn't lather. My hair was really dirty and oily and stuff. I got lazy in December because I was trying to rest and stuff from work. But wash days just feel so good, man. Like a clean scalp. I bet you there's nothing in this world that feels that good, honestly speaking. Like, I love me clean hair. And just like that, product buildup, sweat, stress, all gone. I always make sure to focus on my scalp because a healthy scalp is the key to growing healthy hair. And here's the thing, I can grow hair. I think I struggle with the length retention, and that's why my hair kind of stays around the same length, but I really don't mind it. Hey, like, I really do not mind it. At some point we were all chasing long relaxed hair and stuff, but I'm content with where my hair is at. It's much healthier than it was 2 years ago, and you'll see it's darker. I did not dye my hair. I promise you. I still have my grays. I'm gonna follow up with a moisturizing shampoo, and today it is the Design Essentials Almond Avocado Moisturizing Shampoo. This is sulfate free. This is just gonna add a bit of moisture but also slick my hair out a little bit. That's what the shampoo is going to do. And there you have it. My hair is washed, nice and clean. Growth is thick. Like, I have a bump, like a helmety kind of situation on my head, and I don't like it, honestly speaking. But today's deep conditioner is the Almond Avocado Deep Moisture Wash Day Mask. I mixed this in with my oil. That's why it looked a little bit yellow. I'm not even going to attempt parting my hair because, as you guys can see, the mess that is my roots. And it hurts. And I'm kind of afraid I have fairy knots and things. So I always prefer to do my deep conditioning first, and then I will detangle when I put in a leave-in conditioner before I blow dry my hair. It's my favorite part of a wash day, you know. It's a reward because after all the work, this is the part where my hair is going to soften and it's going to come back to life, and it's just going to feel overall good. I like to take my time with this and make sure like I've applied the mask. Then I'm going to bag it in two bags in one of these. This is a nappy bag, by the way. So I just put the nappy bag over my head, and then I put a shower cap on it. And at this point, I was hungry, so I walked to my kitchen and I wanted to eat something. I've been struggling with my appetite the whole December. Like, generally I'm not eating like I used to, and I don't know what that is. So I had a bit of tuna with avo because protein, right? And then I had this fruit platter, like a small fruit platter, just to snack on. Literally, I just stood in the kitchen and ate. The house was quiet. I was by myself, so I said, girl, enjoy your house. And I just looked outside of my garden and I enjoyed the fruit. That was kind of a brunch moment because I didn't really have breakfast, but it's important to eat, and I can't deprive my body of food because my hair also needs the nutrients. Then I went ahead and put on my heat cap, right? I put this baby on for a good 15 to 20 minutes. I can't remember how long I set my timer for, but with low porosity hair, it's very important that you deep condition with heat. It does your hair very, very good. And after that, I pulled the heat cap off. I'm surprised. I've had this heat cap for like a year or two now, and it's still working so well. Really amazed. But my hair felt warm, and that deep mask had penetrated my hair and was feeling so good, right? So good. So I went ahead and just massaged it a little bit. My hair did immediately feel softer, which was amazing. And then we headed to the shower. We had to wash it out. I hope you guys can see like the new growth. Like, it's aggressive this time around, hey? So aggressive. And it's only been 4 months because remember, I relaxed my hair in September 2025. It is now January 2026, which is like 4 months, 4.5 months, right about. And Normally we stretch relaxers like 8 months, but this time around I don't think I'm going to be able to do that because it's rough. Okay, it is rough. I think I'm not going to protective style like I was planning to. I think I just need to go ahead and schedule my relaxer appointment. But I made sure to wash out that moisture mask very, very well. Look at the kitchens in the back there. Ew, like, oh my goodness. But I love the color of this hair. The black is very, very nice. Going to go ahead and t-shirt dry my hair. I promise you 2026 I'm going to get new t-shirts for t-shirt drying my hair. And this is me after I went ahead and showered and got dressed and everything. It's time to blow dry my hair. I'm dreading this part, okay? Like, it intimidates me because my hands get tired, but also I don't want to be ripping through my hair. And yeah, this new growth situation is rough, guys. Always use a heat protectant. This is my favorite one ever, the only one I've actually ever used, the Tresemme Heat Defense. I put that all over my hair. And then today we're going to try this Bone Straight conditioner. I use this on my wigs and it straightens the hair out pretty nicely. So I'm trying to get my hair flat so I can wear it out this week before going to relax it. I just put that stuff all over my hair, rubbed it in pretty nicely, and then I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going in with a white tooth comb and just detangling like I told you guys, because I don't like detangling before the mask. Used a bit of tension and my hair was drying out pretty nicely. I wrap my hair in these little bantu knots and then I go around section by section. Doing this kind of makes my hair look and feel silky. That's a hack right there. Like, honestly, it's a little hack. But yeah, my hair is feeling fuller and thicker. And then I went ahead and used the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Oil just to put that on my hair so it could give it a little bit of sheen and shine and stuff. I wasn't really going to be doing much with my hair this week. Honestly, I'm going to wear it in 2 braided out braids like I usually do. And I'm just going to go ahead and put my wigs on because I've got campaigns to shoot. Bantu knot it, and then I went ahead and did the other side. Wash days are a lesson for me and should be for everybody, right? Wash days, we've got to be consistent, guys. I have to get into a consistent routine. You guys know I like wearing my hair in cornrows and stuff, so I think I'm going to try wearing my hair in cornrows for 4 weeks, having my hair out for 2 weeks, and then back in the cornrows for another 4 weeks, and out again for 2 weeks. That would be 3 months. Check the new growth and then schedule my relaxer appointment for then. But all in all, I'm happy. Like, I'm super happy with the health of this hair. It honestly looks and feels much better. Length-wise, we might have lost some length. I don't know how and when that happened, or maybe it just is shrinkage from the new growth. But generally, I am super happy with the health of my hair. This wash day felt really like a big reset, not just for my hair, but for me, for the channel. And thank you for starting 2026 with me and for always showing up on this channel. More vlogs, more hair content, and more real moments coming up. I'll see you in my next video. Love and peace always.